Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are, of course, starting 2025, we had a few questions that were asked, including, would you buy a new PC? And we've asked all sorts of questions about Windows 10, what you plan to do. Will you be upgrading with a new PC or going through the updates of, paying for the security updates for extended support and so on? It's quite clear that although there is a percentage of people that are going to get themselves a new PC so that they can move on, it's quite clear there's a very high number of people that just don't want to move away from Windows 10 yet. Some even on machines that are compatible with Windows 11 that just don't want to go to Windows 11. With all the, the things we talk about, you guys see my videos. I mean, in the last few weeks, I think there was not a week that I didn't talk about a problem with 24H2. That doesn't help people move on, that's for sure. And a lot of people are happy with Windows 10, and I think they just want to keep what is an essentially a great operating system that works very, very well. I've learned to love Windows 10 quite a lot. I think it's up there with the best Windows that ever has been. When I see people that trash Windows 10, say, "Oh, it's bad," it's not. If you say it's bad, I don't know what's bad for you, but people love it, and it's obvious people want to keep it. It's become the king of the Windows, like Windows 7 and Windows XP was. It's obvious it'll be there as some of the best of the best. So a lot of people did answer back that they probably will pay for extended support. Now, some through Microsoft to get their extended support, but some through Zero Patch also. Remember, Zero Patch as an advantage over Microsoft is that it's more than a year. I don't know how many years they will keep it up, but as long as it's something viable for them, as long as they're making money out of it, they will continue. So which means at Zero Patch, you can use your PC more than 1 year after it's over. What's going to be basically telling you that it's over is much more what you're using, the browser, for example. Google, if you're using Google Chrome, like a lot of people are using Google Chrome, what's going to happen is at some point you're going to be told that, there's no more updates for security for Windows 10. But as long as the Windows 10 market share is high enough, Google will continue supporting it. Firefox will continue supporting it. Many browsers will continue supporting it. So, if you pair Zero Patch and look at, the browser updates to keep you safe, you might be using Windows 10 for more than 2-3 years for sure. It'll depend, of course, on how fast it declines at some point. Numbers this year are going to be really important to tell us exactly where we'll be at. So it's obvious that a lot of people want to keep Windows 10. A lot of people are going to pay for the extended support, even though Microsoft, it's not what they want. And it's going to be interesting to see as the year goes by what's going to happen and what people are going to do. We'll probably never have numbers, but we will have numbers about what's the market share in October this year. It's going to give us a pretty good idea of how many people are actually paying for extended support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.